So it's Berlin day 2. I'm just leaving my couch surfing place. I slept in a little bit, but I'm supposed to be at the new museum by 11:30. It's 11:16, so I hope that I can still skip the line with the ticket that I bought. So I wish I could tell you where I am, but I don't know. I just made it, I think. Sorry, you guys are gonna be lost with me. Just married. Oh wait, you just backed up. That's really cute. I love it. So we're looking for the new museum. I think this is it. Between these pillars. This museum is super dope, but also like super stolen. I'm really wondering like how all this stuff got over here, but I'm just gonna enjoy the art for now. If you don't come to Berlin for any other reason, come to see the bust of Nefertiti, because that is freaking miraculous. Like, I can't even describe how amazing it is to see it in person. I remember being in 5th grade and that being like the cover of my textbook, and I just saw it in person. That's so crazy. Oh my gosh. I love how in Europe you can just come and pick up your contacts. I mean, they're store brand, but like they're contacts, so you can just pick them up. No worries, no problems. Okay guys, I have to end this vlog somewhere, and I've been looking for like the perfect point, and I think I'm gonna do it here. I have Saturday and part of Sunday morning here in Berlin, and then I'm off to Amsterdam, which I'm so excited about. Anybody who knows me knows I love Amsterdam with a passion. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me feedback if you think I should be doing something better or have any tips to make these vlogs like better. I don't mind that, but just don't be rude. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wait, before I go, I do want to show you guys where I'm staying. I'm not gonna film my couch surfing host's home, but I do want to show you like the outdoors and kind of how beautiful this city is. So it's raining right now, so perfect time to be in the house getting my life together. But here is the city. Doesn't this look like like Hogwarts? And those are church bells that have been going off for like the last, I don't know, 10 minutes. It's like nice, but also like, okay, you can stop. So, alright, I'm really out of here this time. See you guys in my next video.